Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to 5th Standard Science online class. Welcome you all for the second term. Students, look at this picture. What is this? Yeah, very good. It's a different kinds of food, isn't it? Food is one of the basic need of our life. Students, our body needs a different kinds of nutrients. Nutrients means it's a substance that give energy and growth like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals for the functioning of our body. So we get all these nutrients from the food we eat. So if you do not take all these nutrients in the right proportion, it results in some diseases. Students, if you do not preserve the food items, it gets spoiled. So in this lesson, we are going to study about the spoilage of food. Students, look at these pictures. In these pictures, all the foods are spoiled because the food is not preserved properly, means not maintained properly, so it gets spoiled. So what will happen if you eat this kind of spoiled food? Yeah, very good. The spoiled food cause a lot of diseases. So now let us learn about the spoilage of food. Spoilage of food. What is the meaning of spoilage? The change in the normal state of the food is called as the spoilage. So changes in the smell, taste, texture of the food is called as spoilage of food. Okay students, what is the cause of spoilage? Causes means the reasons. What are the reasons for the spoilage of food? Some of the main reasons of spoilage of food are air and oxygen. The oxygen in the air is one of the reasons. Next is the moisture content. Moisture content means the water content. Okay. Next, the last one is microorganisms. Micro means very small. Organism means the living beings. So very small living beings such as bacteria, virus is the reason for the spoilage of food. Okay. So these are the some important reasons for the spoilage of food or the causes of the spoilage in food. Okay, let's go and study this one by one. Students, now look at this picture. What is this? This is a banana, a spoiled banana, isn't it? The color and flavor of the banana is changed. How it changed? Because of air and oxygen. When oxygen is one of the gas present in the air, is react with the food contents, it produces changes in the color and flavor of the food. So students, because of the oxygen present in the air react with the food content and produce changes in the color and flavor of the food. Okay, so the food gets spoiled because of the air and oxygen. Students, the next one is moisture content. Moisture content means the water content. Moisture or water content keeps the food fresh. When the moisture is gone, especially in vegetables and fruits, shrink. Shrink means the size of the vegetables and fruits is reduced due to evaporation. Evaporation means losing the water content. So the moisture loss occurs in foods like meat, fish and cheese. So The loss of moisture content in this food spoil this food. So loss of moisture is one of the reason for the spoilage. Students, now look at this vegetable. Here the loss of moisture reduces the size and color of the vegetable. So loss of moisture is the reason for the spoilage of food. Students, now look at this picture. This is one of the microorganism, bacteria. Microorganism means very smaller organism. Organism means living beings like bacteria, virus and fungi is an example of the microorganisms. Students, the microorganisms such as fungi, yeast is one of the fungi, and bacteria can grow well only in the low temperature. So in the low temperature they multiply. Multiply means increase in number in the food and spoil them. Students, next we will learn about the effects of spoiled food. Effects means what is the result of eating spoiled food items. Okay, so now let's learn about this. The spoiled foods are not suitable to eating. Okay, so it's not suitable for eating purpose. Next, they may not be fresh and tasty, so they won't be fresh and tasty, the spoiled food. Okay, next, it is harmful to eat. Harmful means dangerous. It is dangerous to eat. Next, the spoiled food cause stomach pain, sometimes fever. Dysentery means loose motion and vomiting also. So these are the effects of eating spoiled food items. Thank you, students.